So the first question of today's question is, the Ayushman Bharat scheme will subsume which among the following central schemes? So Ayushman Bharat scheme to him. Tolor egita jigita dia ase egita kunkita scheme logot subsume koribo. Dia ase Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, Central Government Health Science Scheme, Senior Citizen Health Insurance Scheme. And the correct answer will be 1 and 3. That is Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, that is RSBY, and Senior Citizen Health Insurance Scheme, SCHIS. Now let's discuss a few things about these schemes. This scheme will subsume this scheme means we are talking about Ayushman Bharat scheme. Okay, as you know, the question is asking about Ayushman Bharat scheme. So this Ayushman Bharat scheme will subsume the centrally sponsored schemes, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, that is RSBY, and the Senior Citizen Health Insurance Scheme, that is SCHIS. And it happened that during his Independence Day speech from Red Fort, Prime Minister announced that Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Abhiyan, that is also known as Ayushman Bharat or the National Health Protection Mission, or sometimes it is also known as ABNSPM or Modi Care, will be launched on 25th September 2018. But as the scheme is meant only for poor and economically deprived people, not everyone is eligible to get free medical insurance under Ayushman Bharat scheme. And what are the key features of this Ayushman Bharat scheme? First one is the government-sponsored health insurance scheme will provide free coverage of up to ₹5 lakhs per family per year at any government or even empaneled private hospitals all over India for secondary and tertiary medical care facilities. So, this is Ayushman Bharat scheme to ase ki korise free coverage dibo kiman leke 5 lakhs leke proti bochore, okay, 5 lakhs leke proti bochore free coverage dibo either government jikono government hospital nohole sei bilak private hospital je bilak tar under registered ase. Secondary and tertiary medical care facilities. Then Modi Care will be available for 74 crore beneficiary families and about 50 crore Indian citizens. It already benefit obviously. Under the process, 80% of the beneficiaries based on the socio-economic caste census data in the rural and the urban areas have been identified. And there is no restriction on the basis of family size, age, or gender. But family size or age or gender, no restriction. And Ayushman Bharat is unlike other medical insurance schemes where there is a waiting period for pre-existing diseases. All kinds of diseases are covered from day one of the Ayushman Bharat policy. The benefit covers includes both pre and post hospitalization expenses. So, kobole gole Ayushman Bharat policy to বহুত ভালকৈ ইনক্লুড কৰিছে আগতে নিচিনাকৈ যে আপনি এক্সিস্টিং ডিজিজ যিখিনি আছে হেতু ওয়েটিং কৰিবলগীয়া হৈছিল মানে সেইখিনি ঠিক নোহালেকে বা সেইখিনি কমপ্লিট নোহালেকে ওয়েট কৰিবলগীয়া আছিল এনেকুৱা কোনো কথা নাই যিকোনো ধৰণৰ ডিজিজ মানে যিখিনি আন্ডাৰত আছে ইয়াৰ আন্ডাৰত আছে প্ৰথম দিনাখনৰ পৰা দিনাখনৰ পৰা আয়ুষ্মান ভাৰত পলিচি লোৱা হৈছে তেতিয়াৰ পৰা এইটো আহি যায় ই মানে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ট্ৰিটমেন্টৰ কাৰণে পইচাটো এভেইলেবল কৰে আৰু এটো both free and post hospitalization expenses কাৰণে available korwa hoy. The expenditure incurred in the premium payment will be shared between central and state government in the ratio 60:40, but for northeast and Himalayan states of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal and Uttarakhand ki hobo 90:10 hobo. Baki stateor karone 60 and 40, 60:40 মানে 60 মানে আপনার central and the state 40, but for our northeast it is 90:10, and for other Himalayan states like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal and Uttarakhand. Now this will be 100% centrally funding for union territories. Okay, without jar legislature that mane apunar 100% funding gibo union territory bilakot. Then NSPA will draw additional resources from the health and educational sales and also depend on funding from the states to boost central allocation, and this will pay for the hospitalization costs of its beneficiaries through the strategic purchasing from public and private hospitals. So this scheme is a very we can say a very important scheme for all the peoples who are actually under this coming under this scheme. Means like, you know, that there should be some obviously ceiling between the poor and the rich, but this is covering them. And here we have to means we got that these two schemes, that is RSBY and SCSI, now coming under it. So yet শুদ্ধটো হ'ব option C. So আয়ুষ্মান ভাৰত স্কিমৰ বিষয়ে আমি বহুত কথা জানিলো, কিন্তু ইয়াৰ এটা কথা জানিব লাগিব, এইটো কেতিয়া লঞ্চ কৰা হৈছিল, that date is very important, 25th September 2018. আৰু কিমান পইচা দিয়া হয়, 5 lakhs per year যিকোনো হস্পিটেলতে, right? And next thing important that for Northeast states, the central and states ratio of funding is 90:10. Next question, the ideas of justice, equality, fraternity are found in the Indian Constitution. Is a idea justice, equality and fraternity found poa jay Indian Constitution ot etu ki hoy asolte, and the correct answer will be preamble. So the ideas of justice, equality, fraternity are found in preamble of Indian constitutions. We know already. Then এইখিনি আমি আগতে ডিসকাস কৰিছো, so I am not going into depth of it. Now next question, consider the following statements. Equality is an important principle of our constitution. Then the government has set up Anganwadis in several villages in the country to reduce the inequality between the sexes. So ইয়াতো দুইটাই শুদ্ধ, কাৰণ equality to আমাৰ constitution বহুত important part হয়, আৰু এই অংগনবাদীখিনি যে ভিলেজ সকলত সেট আপ কৰা হৈছিল, যিটো সেক্সেস ভিতৰত এটা ইনইকুৱালিটি আছিল মেল ফিমেল, এই বস্তুটো এটা মানে এটা চেষ্টা চলোৱা হয় যে এই ইনইকুৱালিটি যাতে কম কৰিব পাৰি। Okay, so শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো কোনটো হ'ব? Next question, and allowance of the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, and the correct answer will be legislature. Remember that a Legislative Assembly Speaker salary বা allowance কিনি কোনে ডিসাইড কৰে? Legislature ডিসাইড কৰে। The next question, which of the following is not correct? Go through the statement. I'll just say that what is the correct answer, and in this case correct answer is D, that is Advocate General can vote in the House. No, etu শুদ্ধ নহয়, বাকিখিনি শুদ্ধ। A minister can also participate in the proceedings of the House where he is not a member of the House of that House. And statement B, a minister who is not a member of the House can participate in proceeding of both the houses. That is also correct. And the quorum, we know that is 1/10 share of the total members in the single house. Now D2 we have to know that they vote when there is a case of tie on, right? So the Advocate General cannot exactly vote in the House. Now let's come to the next question, in which of the following state there is no legislative council, and we know that is West Bengal. And in one of the last classes we have talked about that what are the states where we have legislative council. So you can let me know by commenting that what are those states, current states, which are having this legislative council. So here only we are stopped. We are just pausing today's lecture because I need to go to take another class. So I'm pausing here, and we'll meet again in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.